Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and today we will check how well you know the traffic rules. I have prepared for you 8 interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you don't miss new releases. And at the end of the video, be sure to write in the comments how many correct answers you got. Let's go! The first situation. In front of us is an intersection to which a red car is approaching. The driver has 3 options for movement. A. Straight ahead. B. Left. And C. U-turn. In the picture we see the sign, End of the road for cars. Many drivers mistakenly believe that this sign prohibits further movement, but this is not so. This sign only cancels the preferential traffic regime, but does not prohibit movement on the road. Answer options. Only direction A, directions B and C, only C, only B, directions A and C, or all directions are permitted. And the correct answer is, all directions are permitted. This sign does not restrict the movement of cars in any direction. Let's move on. The second situation. A road with 2 lanes in one direction. The driver of the blue car wants to change from the left lane to the right, and the driver of the yellow car wants to change from the right to the left and then turn around. The question is, which of them should give way? Answer options. 1. That the driver of the blue one must give way. 2. The driver of the yellow one. Answer. The driver of the blue car. According to the rules, when changing lanes, the one who is changing lanes gives way, regardless of who is on which side. Since the blue car is changing lanes into the lane where the yellow car is already driving, it is obliged to give way. The third situation. For vehicles at an unregulated intersection without signs. They are a green car, a truck, a blue car, and a yellow taxi. The question is, who will cross the intersection last? Options. The driver of the green car, the truck, the taxi, or the blue car. The correct answer is the yellow taxi. They will pass in the following order. First the green one, then the blue one, then the truck, and the yellow taxi last. Everything is according to the obstacle on the right rule, and taking into account who is moving where. Situation 4. An intersection with a traffic light and a traffic controller. The red car is about to turn left, and the yellow one is about to turn right. The traffic controller stands with his arms outstretched. The question is, who can pass? Options. Only the red one. Only the yellow one. Both can, or neither. And the correct answer is neither. When the traffic controller stands with his arms outstretched, the movement of all vehicles from the chest and back is prohibited. So both the red and yellow cars must stop. Situation 5. A red car is driving on a one-way road. It is in the far right lane. What directions are allowed for it? Possible answers. 1. Only straight ahead. 2. Straight ahead and left. 3. Left and back. 4. Straight ahead and back. Right answer is 1. In traffic rules, a U-turn is prohibited on a one-way road because it automatically means driving into the oncoming direction, and it cannot be there. It is prohibited by definition. A left turn is also impossible because the red car is in the far right lane, and from there, according to traffic rules, you can only move straight ahead or right. But you can't turn right on this section, so there is only one option. Situation 6. An intersection with a traffic light and an additional section. A truck and a car are about to turn left. Both pass on the green light of the additional section. The question is, who will pass first? Possible answers. 1. A truck. 2. A car. 3. Whoever gets there first. 4. No one. The correct answer is a truck. Why? When both turn left, they do not interfere with anyone in the oncoming lane, but they still have to decide between themselves. And here the obstacle on the right rule applies. The one with the obstruction on the right gives way. The car is to the left of the truck, so it gives way. Remember, when turning left on an additional section, the same priority rules apply as at a regular intersection without a traffic light. Situation 7. U-turn at an intersection. The red car chooses one of two trajectories. Option A, a wide U-turn beyond the intersection. Option B, a U-turn within the intersection. Question: which trajectory should the driver of the red car take to make a U-turn? Answer options. 1. Option A. 2. Option B. The correct answer is option 2. Option B. Why? U-turns at an intersection are permitted if there are no prohibiting signs or markings, but they must be made strictly within the intersection from the far left position, without going beyond the intersection of the roadways, and without entering the oncoming lane after the maneuver. Option A is a gross error. The driver goes beyond the intersection, creates obstacles and risks being hit by oncoming traffic. So remember, turn around carefully and only within the intersection. Situation 8. A roundabout. For cars are moving around the circle, white, blue, black, and one more. Question: which of the cars will exit the circle first? Possible answers: 1 white, 2 blue, 3 black, 4 all at the same time. The correct answer is option 2, blue. Why? According to the rules, at a roundabout, those who are already on the circle have the right of way. But if all the cars are already inside the circle, then the obstacle on the right rule applies when exiting the circle. Also, it is recommended to exit from the far right lane. The blue car is driving in the far right lane, which means it does not need to change lanes and does not interfere with others. The others are either to the left or must yield to those on the right when exiting. Remember, when changing lanes at a roundabout to an exit, always look to the right, whoever has the right of way. If you are on the right, you go first. Well, friends, that's all 8 situations. I hope it was interesting and useful. And now it's time to count how many correct answers you got. Write your number in the comments. Let's see who is the most competent driver on the channel. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to click the bell so as not to miss new episodes. Thanks for watching and good luck on the road.